so for another meditation, we're going to progress a little bit. Okay, so what we want to focus on today is breathing into the Dan Tien, focusing on the Dan Tien. Okay, so remember, the Dan Tien is roughly from the diaphragm to the base of the pelvis, and it occupies that void of the body around here. Okay, and it's one of the main focuses in Qigong as we start out. So we want to fill this sea of Qi, get that strong sense of our center before we start moving things in a specific way around the body. Okay, now how are we going to do this? Breath. Use whatever breathing method you're most comfortable with. We'll get into breathing methods further down the line. Okay, but soft, slow and regular. Okay, don't force the breath, don't hold it, don't put unnecessary tension or worry into your body. Okay, posture, we need to keep our body upright, so make sure you are comfortable when you start. It's very, very simple. All we're going to do is put one hand into the other, let the thumbs lightly touch. Okay, so I can softly press my thumbs together. Doesn't matter if it's left over right, right over left, really doesn't matter. Okay, and all I'm going to do is let those sit in my lap in front of my Dan Tien. So it's almost like I'm cupping my Dan Tien. Okay, now this will give me a physical focus, yeah, in front of the area I'm trying to focus on. Okay, little trick, yeah. Let the arms rest on the top of the thigh. Keep the shoulders open, just like with your Tai Chi. Posture, lifting to the crown, sinking through the tail. Okay, so as we breathe in, we're going to softly press the thumbs together. A little bit of pressure, just so you draw your attention to where your thumbs are. Okay, don't try and really squeeze and put a lot of pressure in. Just a little contact, so you register it with your mind, and your mind is drawn down to this area. Okay, like I said, what we're trying to do is really focusing on the center of the Dan Tien. Okay, so let's have a go. Get yourself comfortable, remember. Rising through the crown, sinking through the tailbone. Close your eyes if you want to, or have them open. So I'm going to close mine. So tongue lightly engaged with the roof of the mouth, lifting to the crown, sinking through the tailbone. Then just breathing softly in and out through the nose. So breathing in, lightly press the thumbs together, take your attention to the Dan Tien. Breathing out, just release that pressure, and imagine you're breathing out from the Dan Tien. So breathing in again, softly press the thumbs, focusing on the Dan Tien. Breathing out, release, imagine you're breathing out from the Dan Tien. So here we go, just breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Out. In. And so it goes on. The duration of it, again, doesn't matter. Okay, whatever you can comfortably do. Remember, you've got to hold this posture, so you might only be able to hold it for a couple of minutes. Don't get unwanted tensions to distract your mind. Okay, if you can hold it for 20 minutes and focus for 20 minutes, fantastic. If you can focus for 2 minutes, that's enough to start with, and gradually build it up. Don't be hard on yourself if you get distracted. That's why this is here, softly pressing. The pressing gives you that physical anchoring for your mind, okay? And plus, once you start pressing, your mind will go there anyway, because you've got the contact between your thumbs. all you've got to try and do is visualize this center of the body. Many different ways of visualizing the Dan Tien. You can think of it like a pearl in the center. You're just layering up this energy around this little grain of sand to build up this pearl. Or you can think of it like a coal, just softly glowing. So each breath just makes this fire glow in the center. Okay? Or whatever makes sense to you, use it. Yeah? If you struggle with visualizations, use this physical key and a physical, you might even want to just prod yourself. Right, yeah, that's my center, and link this to it. I don't know, whatever sort of visualizations or cues you feel you need, but you need these little distractions. That's why, we're putting the hands here. So you're physically feeling the hands there, physically focused on this center. But just to quickly recap, slow, regular breath. Thumbs softly pressing as we breathe in, and just let them relax as we breathe out. Okay. Maintain a comfortable, relaxed posture, however you are sitting. Okay. Soon as any tension builds up elsewhere, stop. And it doesn't matter how long you do it for. Okay? So, till next time, practice, enjoy.